What's going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here with our OTC Saturday video. Today we're going to be talking about a few stocks, two that we've talked about before, two that we haven't talked about on OTC Saturday. We're going to start with my favorite of the group right now, and that is UA Multimedia, UAMM. Stock closed at 11 cents, up 8% on Friday. This is a pink current holding company that is a solution provider in the area of cryptocurrency, blockchain, fintech, and artificial intelligence. They are also working in the NFT space, which is the non-fungible token space, which is a game changer sector, in my opinion, going forward. They have only 309 million outstanding shares, of which 73 million are actually restricted. They also retired 70 million shares, so looking to build shareholder value with that. They are applying to uplist to the OTCQB, and they said they should be doing that rather shortly, so we're definitely looking forward to that catalyst. And also there are negotiations to acquire a controlling stake in a small crypto exchange, and in their PR that they put out last week, more details will be available once the deal is consummated. Now, this is a complete blockchain solution provider for a wide range of digital assets. They're currently working on developing their own token, which is something that caught my attention with AABB, Asia Broadband. When we found that one, I mean, we called that one out on the channel under a penny, and that was in August. Right now, looks like AABB is running up on 50 cents, if not better, sometime soon. This company, UAMM, actually has a better share structure than Asia Broadband. In fact, about a third of the shares, so they only have about 300 million shares in the outstanding share count. I really like this play going forward. I think if we use an example, kind of like a comparison example, the second company we're going to be talking about is Image Protect. It's IMTL. Absolutely love this company. They closed at 0.0184 yesterday, and I still think they have plenty of room to run. But as we stand, that stock has a $65 million market cap, opposed to UAMM, which only has a $34 million market cap. Now, I think IMTL can run possibly to 6 or 7 cents. Now, if you use that comparative, deal with UAMM, this stock would be, approximately 79, 80 cents. So with a $34 million market cap, I think this stock has plenty of room to run. Absolutely love the float, the share structure, the business that they're in, the hot sector. They got everything right now going for them. So I think UA Multimedia, UAMM, is an absolute steal right now. Let's get to the second stock here, which is when we brought up Image Protect, IMTL. This stock closed at 0.0184 yesterday, up 55%. If you look at the daily chart, this thing slowly grinded up throughout the whole day. No major big spikes, just a slow, steady grind all the way up. If you look at the 1 month chart, looks like they spent the majority of the month in the dubs 3s and dubs 4s. Then they got word, people got word that they were going pink current. So we do anticipate that going into next week, and that they are in the NFT space. So this stock garnered a lot of attention last week. I think it continues next week. I think at 0.0184, Image Protect right now is an absolute steal. I could see this thing hitting 6 or 7 cents sometime next week once they go pink current and we get updates on their future business plan. So absolutely love Image Protect, IMTL. Next, we're going to be talking about WSGF. That's World Series of Golf. This is actually an amazing company right here. This is a company they closed at 0.0285, up 8% on Friday. Kind of been trading between that 2.5 and 3.5 range for quite some time. They had one little breakout, as we can see right here on the chart, and that was in the beginning of March. They had a nice pop up to close to 7 cents, but seemed to have pulled back. We're waiting on a few things with this company. Now, this is a pink current company. They only have a minuscule $2.5 million market cap, which is absolutely minuscule. This is a company that merged with Vacatella. This is an Airbnb type vacation and rental and real estate company. They will have a ticker and name change probably by the end of next month, and have an estimated 100 million in first-year revenues. They'll also be infusing cryptocurrency into their business model as far as with payments and things of that nature, possibly their own coin. That'd be something I heard them saying, but they have nothing definitive on that at this point. Very, very low float stock. They have 104 million in the outstanding shares, 13 million of which are restricted. Again, they are a pink current company. If you just take a look at the 6 month, they've had a few massive spikes. So you can see once any news comes out, these guys can pop. They can go flying. Now, once they get the name change, they get the ticker change, and start showing some of these revenues coming in with this business model. They also have their app that will be available in June. So a lot of catalysts going for this company. And when that starts rolling out and we start getting catalysts with only $2.5 million market cap, if they come anywhere near their 100 million in annual revenues, we could be looking at a 10-20 bagger in this one. So really like World Series of Golf, WSGF. This is one of my long-term holds. Absolutely love this play. And last but not least, in my opinion, the king of the OTC, my favorite stock in the OTC market, and that is ILUS International, ILUS. This stock closed at 0.1560 on Friday, down 4%. Had a modest day, low volume. If we look at the 6 month on this chart, they basically flatlined for the majority of the year, and then once ILUS International took over the ticker, you can see they've just been steadily running up. This one pullback right here is obviously that Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday where every stock got beat down, and you can see they've just recovered right back to close to the highs. We are anticipating pink current. They got their attorney letter in on Friday of last week, so we're anticipating pink current possibly anywhere from Monday through Wednesday, would be my guess. Once they become pink current, we're going to be getting actually treated with a bevy of catalysts that they've been talking about. So first and foremost, obviously, pink current's a catalyst because this will allow other platforms or people that trade on other platforms that typically are not allowed to buy stop sign stocks. They will be able to do so. So this will add a slew of buyers in. After that, we should be getting word on their U.S. acquisition, supposedly a big, quote-unquote, big acquisition, U.S. acquisition that will allow them access to the United States and North America markets. So that's huge right there. Also, a European either contract or partnership. We don't know the details of it, but we know he was in Europe, and the CEO tweeted out that he had a deal done out there as well too. So those two catalysts, and then also they're talking about a share reduction, which this stock already has a decent float. A share reduction, which will tighten the float and make this more attractive to more buyers. And then last but not least, also up listing to the OTCQB, where they said their final go is the NASDAQ. I would not be surprised we get this, this onslaught of catalyst coming out this week. I would not be surprised to see this thing anywhere near 25 to 35 cents just by the end of next week alone. I've been bold in my price target with this stock, stating that I have a strong feeling we'll be seeing over $1 by the summer. So that's where I stand. This is my top OTC stock of 2021 so far. Absolutely love the play. Big fan of ILUS, and think we have a lot of potential going forward with this one. So again, the stocks that we mentioned today, that's all I got for you. We have UA Multimedia, UAMM, World Series of Golf, WSGF, Image Protect, IMTL, And last but not least, Illustrato, or actually ILUS International, ILUS, ILUS International. So that's all I've got for you today. Keep an eye out for the watch list. Let me know how you like the new format in the comment section below. As always, please like, please share, please subscribe. We will see you tomorrow on the watch list. And as always, traders, let's get that money.